Hello, hello. I was recently surprised with a nice gift from my friends over at Martin Dingman. So I've been a fan of theirs. I've got a set of loafers from them. And this time they sent me one of their dress shoes. So this is the Charleston in a chestnut. So this is a wingtip derby shoe. Really nice. The chestnut color is really nice on these. Right out of the box. Really comfortable. I can feel just like a lot of cushion on the insole here. All leather heel or all leather sole. A little rubber for some traction on the heel. They fit true to size. And yeah, just really nice look to these. So really the intention, they sent these to me just to see what I would do with them. So really I'm going to look at shining them up first, just so everyone can see how they would look, in their kind of natural state, but with a mirror shine the way I like to do. But then I'll probably look at turning these into a patina project as well. So we'll do something a little more special with these. But for now, I'm going to shine them up and we'll wear them, get a couple shots that way, and then we'll modify them. But absolutely check out Martin Dingman. They have some really amazing styles, really high quality, and just the highest integrity, their company. I just really love working with those guys. They've been great. So check out Martin Dingman and you will see these on my feet probably in a couple of days. So, all right, guys.